Okay, so it turns out that I was not recording the first time I did this, so this is run two. Let me make sure I'm recording. I'm recording, okay? Today is April 23rd. We took some trades today. I took two trades. I banked both of them. And yeah, let's go over them. So let me put some tunes on real quick. It's good. I hope it's not too loud, but let me turn a little more. I think it's fine. So what did we go over first? The first ones I took were on ES. Today was kind of silly price action. I'm not gonna lie to you, because we did have what was the guy's name? Gangster Waller, FOMC member Waller. He spoke. We had PMI and then new home sales. Again, it was around 6:45, 6:35, 6:45, 7. I wait until 6:50 to take any trades. So if it is a red folder, I'm for sure not going to be trading. Like, I will not be in a trade during that time. So like, let's say if this was a red folder at 7 a.m., I would not be in a trade up until 7 a.m. You know what I'm saying? So after 7, I will trade. But since this is an orange folder, like I said, if the opportunity presents itself, I don't mind taking the trade. You know what I'm saying? But let's go over today. Yeah. What did we have? Okay. So in the beginning, price action was pretty choppy because of Waller when he spoke. Look at that. Boom. When he spoke, 6:37, he opened his mouth. It came and took out liquidity on ES, right? Took out TPs. These are the TPs that I wanted to have. There was another one over here. I deleted it. That if I were to go long, right? It took those out within 1 minute, a 1 minute candle. And then after that, price was choppy. And then here, we see that it almost comes over here to take out this liquidity, but it doesn't. It doesn't take it out. Oh, what does that mean? That means the chances of it coming to actually take out the liquidity are what? They're high. So when I see this, when I see that we almost came to this liquidity and we didn't sweep it out, but then we come back down, that means I'm looking. All right, I'm aware. I'm observant. I'm observing the market. I'm looking what is there. So what do I see? I see equilibrium forms. Okay, we come up here, we come back down into equilibrium, and I'm like, you know what? We are probably gonna come and take out these highs. So what do? I wait for this candle to close. Boom, I close, and my TP is at these highs, stop losses at these lows over here. And then what happens? Okay, we're in those 7 a.m. news happened. 7 a.m. right? This is a 7 a.m. candle. Like I said, I was in the trade because it was an orange folder. If it was red, I would not take it. Not until after 7. But since it was orange, I would, if the opportunity presented itself, then I wouldn't mind. It came, it was really pretty fast movement. It came, did not stop me out. And then, boom, it went and hit my TP. So the reason why I didn't put my TP here, or my stop loss over here, even though this is liquidity, is because it's always good to have your stop loss protected by to be protected by one form of liquidity, right? If I placed my stop loss here, it would have came and stopped me out. But realize how, in a majority of people, they would have put their stop loss here, right? If you place it here, you have this liquidity protecting you. That's what market did. It came and stopped people out here, and then it went up. So that's always good to make sure you have some sort of confluence or whatever, something to protect your stop loss. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, that was the first trade I took. That was on my Combine, this account. And that one I made, what was it? $450 off of this trade. Yeah, I went a little heavy. I bought 3 contracts. Or 3 MNQ MESs. So that was that. Was it 3 or 5? I think it was 5. The second one I took on my actual Express account because it was a very good setup and I was comfortable with it. This one was later. This was at 7:24. Like I said, I like to get on the chart from 6:30, and then around 7:30, if I don't see anything at 7:30, then I'm leaving, because well, at that point it's going to be like kind of late in the day. I'm not trying to trade like that. But today at 7:30 was the actually perfect moment to take a really good trade. But I already won the one before, and I didn't want to take 3 trades or get too greedy, so I left. So what did I do today? What did I see? I see that NQ came and did not take out this liquidity, did not take out these highs. It made double highs. You see this wick right here? It made double highs. What does double high mean when we see double highs? Double highs or double lows, vice versa, works the same way. When it doesn't fully sweep the liquidity, it just like meets it. It's very probable that market is going to go back up and take out the liquidity because it's like an extra draw of liquidity. You know what I'm saying? So I see that happened here, okay? And we were just chopping up here for a minute, but I was patient, okay? You have to be patient. You have to be patient. Okay. Oh, people. Some people are actually just stupid when it comes to trading. I'm being so serious with you. They're just dumb. Okay. I'm not saying I'm a genius. I'm not saying I'm perfect at trading. Like I make no mistakes. No, of course I make mistakes. But some people, their mistakes can be easily avoidable if only they use their brain. Yeah. Anyways, I just be crashing out sometimes like that. But you know, it's all part of the game. It's all out of passion. We make these double highs. Market comes down, we're choppy, and then we see some legs down. Okay, that's good. We see some legs down. We break 1 minute structure over here. We get all this liquidity out here, and then what do I see? Oh, SMT. If you don't know what SMT is, go watch TJR's videos. I already told you who TJR is. I told you that in the previous videos. Go watch his videos. I'm not sponsored by him at all. In no way am I sponsored by TJR. But I'm just telling you because it was like a gift, you know, that I found his channel, because he literally provides this information for free. He provides it for free. So what reason do you have for you to not go watch his videos? If you can watch mine, that means you can go watch his. In fact, I would rather you go watch his videos, his trading transformation, and all his educational content over this. Because there you actually learn something. Here I'm just going over the recap. I'm just going over what I took. Goofy. Go watch it. Don't be stubborn. Why would you want to remain uneducated? Think. Anyways, we made SMT, and a quick overview of what it is. We made higher lows. This is one low here, and that's another low. That's what the line is there on ES, but then on NQ, I don't like how it resets. We made lower lows. The first low was here, and the second low was here. So what does that mean? NQ is a lagging index. Okay, that caught my eye. We made 1 minute SMT, and then guess what? We invalidate this fair value gap. We invalidate this fair value gap within one candle. I'm like, okay, bro, we are going up. Once this candle closed, I bought in only one MNQ because I was de-risking. I was not trying to. I was minus 400. I don't want to, you know, it's all about risk management. And then from there, it went straight to my TP. So, what was this? A 1.16 trade? Listen, I'm not trying to aim for no 1-to-8 ratio trade, right? 1-to-8 RR. Like, yeah, that's nice, but given how price was acting beforehand and where we are, because we were very much overextended. We did not have any form of retracement in the past day. In fact, we opened up even higher. I don't really think that we were going to continue going up. So a good trade where we would have had a higher RR was literally what happened right after it. Right? The thing is, I was not on the market. I wasn't in the market when this hit, when my trade hit, because I just went into the trade. I was there for a little bit. I saw that we're going up. I was like, okay, I'm leaving because I had stuff to do. And if I stayed, we hit this liquidity, boom, we come down, we have a 5-minute retracement candle. This is perfect. I would have entered somewhere here. Bro, this is the perfect trade. Like, this is a good RR one. My final TP probably would have been here, London lows. It didn't hit them, but it's fine. I would have been closed out. Stops above these highs. What is this? 1 to 3.38 RR. That's good money. This is big bank money. All right, this is real money trade right here. So yeah, that's what it was for today. Hopefully you guys had a green day. Hopefully you guys had a green day too. Like I said, if you do have any questions or you guys want me to go over like certain things or whatever, let me know in the comments. Actually, let me know in the comments what trades you took, and then we go on from there. But that's it for today. Tomorrow should not be bad, and Friday should not be bad either. Tomorrow is what? Unemployment claims, existing home sales. That's fine. What was it today? Home sales. Okay. And then Friday, consumer sentiment. These should be 2 pretty good days, and that's it. Yeah, that's that for today.